Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to be testing the brand new Toyota Supra. Toyota Norway has been so kind to lend me one, and today I'm going to take it out on Norway's biggest track called Rudskogen, and I'm so excited. I mean, this is a legend from the 90s. I mean, Toyota Supra has always been seriously one of my dream cars. It's such a cool JDM car, and it's so cool that Toyota has made a new one. I am not too optimistic about new cars, but this car I really like. I mean, the aerodynamics on this car and the design, I don't know, I really like it. Got some big brakes, and yeah, this is like a ready-to-go track toy actually. It has a 3-liter straight 6 engine with a scroll turbo producing 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. It's quite fast. So, are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, let's see what this car can do. There are actually 2 Toyota Supras right in front of me now, so let's see if we can keep up with those. I don't know if my driving skills are as good as them, but let's see. I'll put it into sports or the gear change myself. Oh! Wow, this pulls really good. Wow, it's a really good sound as well. Driving at the brand new Toyota Supra. This is so cool. Excited to see how fast we can get on the straights there. Let us see. Next neutral. That was 190. Wow, the brakes are very good. It's completely stuck. This is how it came from the factory. It's very stiff actually. I wonder how this is on a daily, like if you drive it daily. I mean, this is a new car, so of course you can change the scrol settings and stuff like that. Oh wow. Driving on the track is so much fun. Too fast into the corner there. My bad. Let's test how the transmission works. How is it? Automatic mode? Whoa, it revs really high. Wow. Really, really cool. Oh, what a beautiful sight. There we have the original Toyota Supra. That's cool. The JDM Legends and the new one. I do really like the design of the old ones as well. There's something special about it. Can we pass it? Oh, it's skidding a little bit. Wow, it pulls really hard. so much like heritage to see all the old cars, all the old Toyotas, and with me driving this new one. Feels really, really good. The steering is really good. So super sharp. Thumbs up. That's the E46 M3. Well, can we take him on the straight? That car has 343 horsepower, and this has 340. That was a bad turn by me, but he's not getting away. See? That car is driving really fast. Me too. I drove way too fast into that corner. These are regular road tires, so I cannot drive that fast. But seriously, this car is seriously just bomb. It's so cool. It's amazing. Toyota badge right here would mean that it's a good family car, but this car proves once again that Toyota can really make a good sports car as well. This was really, really fun, seriously. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Like really, this was a very good experience for me. This was very, very fun. Very fun. No, I don't know what to say. It was so cool. It was seriously just great. Very, very cool.